There's also zoom in and zoom out features over here, as well as sort of a center feature to bring you back where you need to be. If at any time I place a pedal where it may not fit, it's going to give me this little red line right here that's going to show me that's not going to fit. There's going to be some space constraints there. So I can always just drag that over and fix it. Now here's where it gets cool too, because you'll notice these little nodules here hanging off the back. These are actually inputs. So it not only does it allow you to, really look at your pedal board as a bird's eye view, but it also allows you to see how the inputs and outputs are going to look based off of the patch cables that you're using. Now, it's mind-blowing whenever you really start to put all this together, because this is not just a toy. It's literally something you can use to plan out your pedal board, someone else's pedal board. I mean, you could do an entire consultation service off of this. So here is where I've named the pedal board. Here's the board model that I'm using. And then just a real quick description text. As you can see, you can put different backgrounds to this. I prefer, honestly, just the stark white. And then as we go through here, I can check mark these pedals. These are ones that I own.